finally going into Dr. Bilski's office to get my teeth done. It's really gross, but I've been very embarrassed about this for a long time. It's not like something I did myself. I was born with a genetic condition called partial Anodontia. Sorry, it's really gross, but so I'm excited to finally be getting this done. When I'm hanging out with my friends, I'm always cautious about smiling. Not even just my friends, in general, I don't really smile because I don't even necessarily have the inclination to smile about something. It's always been a struggle to go eat out at restaurants because I'm always slower eating than everyone else, and I have to worry about the way I don't feel food that gets stuck in my teeth the same way as everyone else, so I have to be more conscious about that, and it's always a struggle. I've been researching constantly options like this, and then finally I had an angel in my email that told me that Dr. Bilski had some plan. So now I'm just really excited to finally be here and start to live like a normal life, like a normal 24-year-old. It's been less than a week since the surgery, and I am so happy that I've gotten it done. Initially, it was obviously I was a little bit scared, and just kind of worried about how bad it would feel. I feel like I'm mostly healed by now, and one of the trickiest things is just learning how to speak with something different in my mouth. It's a really tough thing to go through to have anodontia, and I really hope that I can encourage people to get us the same kind of procedure done if necessary. And everyone around me that supported me and helped me get this done, it really, they will never understand how much it means to me.